Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can block an Apple ID. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in your app library and just go to the search bar and type in find my and just go and tap on the first option. And now to block an ID, you can block your ID if your phone is lost and you want to be careful and you're scared that your information will be leaked. So especially if that's the case with you, then just go ahead and tap on the device. So if you've lost this iPhone over here, just tap on it and scroll a bit down, so you can either mark it as lost or you can just remove this device, and that way you would successfully be able to block your Apple ID and protect your phone. So guys, that's how you block an Apple ID using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.